if Tommy is here, if Dada is here, she will just keep watching Dada. Han, my nose is very lapad.
Lapad? What's lapad?
Yeah, you say Roxy Igat.
Roxy, you got.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Ngayon, Wednesday. Tapos na akong kumain. Ano ba? 7:30 na. 15 pala ngayon. 15. February 4th. 15. Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning, Bag! Bag-tibag! Good morning, guys. I just got back, actually, dropping my nephew to his school. And then when I get back, I picked my mother-in-law to drop her to her thing. When I get back, the first time I uploaded a video, and now I'm back. The time it went up higher. It says 40 before, and now it's 51 minutes remaining. How the heck that happened? All the time, guys. I'm always have problem in this house with the internet. Merong banana dito. Kumuha yung banana ko ng banana din. And I let the dog out. I let the dog out. The two cats are here. What are you guys fighting again, huh? You Hubs, huh? You're annoying, huh? You always annoy your sister, huh? Why you do that, huh? Guys, I don't understand why these two puppies are very tired looking. I don't get it. They're just sleeping, their eyes is open. Usually every time I move, they are kind of just like run towards me. Oh, because I sit down here, you come here. That's it. I love you, baby girl. I love you. Yes, I do love you. I'm done editing, and not totally done, but I edit the clips already and add some stuff in there. And because it's no, but charge it no, and I have a headache. This is the problem of editing, an hour of editing. Fruits, this is done. Charge the other battery for this camera. I just love my battery. I'm so happy I got another battery. 11:27 in the afternoon. I still wearing the same shocking thing, whatever. And I'm going to have lunch. Tommy told me eat lunch, eat this, eat that. No, I feel like eating things. Like, I feel like eating rice. Lamb, I just like the lamb now, guys. It's really so freaking tasty. I'm just gonna eat the sandwich, you know. He made it. Because if I don't eat it, he'll gonna get mad. Like, I make it and you don't like it. You don't like, you know. You don't like my sandwich, blah, blah, blah. No, you don't have a sandwich. You have a freaking hot dog. Love you, hot dog. No, I'm not. I don't like hot dog, really, guys. I don't like hot dog. I don't like eating hot dog. The real hot dog. Not the hot tiggity dog. Anyway, guys. Oh, masakit yung ulo ko. Hi, guys. Kakabalik lang namin. Maligo na ako mamaya pagkatapos. I'm going to, later after my editing right here. Nag-i-stuck na naman ito, guys, yung story time na video na ina-upload ko. Ito. Ano ba? Ba't hindi nag-focus? Ayun, 51 minutes. You know what I'm going to do when it's like that? I will stop, cancel the thing, and then re-upload. That's what I do, and because this internet here sucks. Good morning. Good morning, guys. He was just sleeping with me the whole time, and now he's waiting for me to go downstairs. Right, my love? You're waiting for Mama to go downstairs, right? He's so cute. He's been sleeping with me. Don't let me down. Don't. I love you. I love you. He's so cute. He loves me so much. Are you ready for breakfast? Are you ready for breaky? Are you ready for breakfast now, baby? Are you ready for breakfast? He's so cute. Good morning. It's 7:41 already in the morning. Today is Thursday. Stop annoying me. stop it. I'm tired of that annoying thing. Oh my god, Roxy has been OUT for like 6 times already. And she won't leave us alone. Look, she leave me. Anyway, when you look at her, she's kind of like, she would just keep looking at you and do like this. What? I know that she's turning her head and come back. She came back here now. She can't just leave me alone. If Tommy is here, if Dada is here, she will just keep watching Dada. Right, Rox? You just keep... you just wanna do it. I don't understand why. You just keep annoying if Dada's here. Where is Dada? Where is Dada? I know Dada's in the shower. Can you go get him? Can you go get Dada and tell Dada, Dada, I wanna go out. I wanna go. I don't really want to do it. Can you go? Do you want to? I don't know. I don't know if Dada's here. Where do you think Dada is? To let you OUT. I don't know if Dada wants you to go out. Do you want to? Is that what you want to do? Do you want to do something really special? Go get him. Go get Dada. Guys, this dog, guys, is just an amazing annoying. Like, they're annoying, but won't make you mad. Like, you know, you're mad when they don't listen to you, but when they are kind of this annoying, like so cute annoying, won't make you mad because they are just the cutest. Somebody here, Adi Reyes. Hi sis, I don't know if you are, I think you are a she. Sis, thank you for watching my video, and baka silingan tayo, baka neighbor lang tayo, ano mo ako sa Facebook, sis, para mag-usap tayo doon, baka kita tayo. baka ano, baka like karabo. Do you want some baka? Do you wanna do baka? I love my baby. I do so much. I do love my baby. I do love you so much. That ear. Flip flop, ear, flip flop, flop 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 flop. Okay, Roxy will lick your ear. I'm gonna do Roxy's ear. Dandy da da. Away. Get away
Dad
from me.
wants to be on the camera.
Why you let the dog go your pee again?
Because I didn't realize you just let them out.
Is that bug? I can see only one eye. Hi, bug! Yung pagtibag.
So you're making yourself a feed around here, right?
She said the big mouth. Big mouth. Big mouth. No, big mouth. I love my big mouth. Go.
Protect it. You want to have it for life. Consumption. Intensive care.
Like,
Join us to help millions in crisis.
Oh, you only in your teeth. Yeah, I'm stronger, but I don't want to push it. They're dancing together. Look, up. I like it. Set up. Good girl, sit up, Misty. Good girl. Anyway, I'm gonna do grocery, guys. I'm waiting for Tammy to come here. Okay, I'm gonna get some milk. I'm going to find a lamb and vegetables. That's it, okay? That's it, hon. Put it down.
Oh, little Ziploc bags, the sandwich size.
I want to be home here and spend time with my annoying baby. Well, it's not really spending time with him because he is not spending time with me, guys.
Time with the camera.
I don't even vlog a lot because you're here.
Huh?
I love you.
You too. You gotta keep the process.
Oh, I don't have a house key.
A house key was a good idea too.
Huh?
House key was a good idea too.
Yeah, always forget house key, guys.
The white car.
I do. Hi guys, let's go to grocery, guys. Tommy is not coming with me. I'm just gonna go alone because I want to go there quick. So I guess I can't put you everywhere because my thing, it won't start. Oh no, the mount, it won't stop. So I guess I'm already out here from in Stop and Shop, and then I'm going to ShopRite to get some lamb. They have some different kind of lamb over here, but they don't have the lamb that I'm looking for and Tommy wants, so I'm gonna look for a different one. I'm gonna go to ShopRite. So let's go, and I can't bring you with me, guys. Do you guys put salt in your strawberry? Because I do. I put salt on my strawberry. I just put salt in here. But also I like to put salt. All Filipino like to put salt in their pineapple. We all know that. And strawberries, most American, some people here in the US, they like to put a white sugar, and they're kind of looking at me weird when every time I pour salt on my strawberries. It's really tastes good. I don't know, it's just the salt and makes the bring out of the sweetness. I think that's what I thought, you know. Few minutes later I'm eating churros and then editing the same thing, guys. I'm just putting a subscribe thing on my video, like, you know, subscribe animation thing. Anyway guys, I made my animation in Keynote. Keynote can do anything, animation. Yeah, so I do it in Keynote. Some people use it from other, I don't know what kind, but I know how to use it in Keynote, and that's all I know. This is the leftover from last week, I think, 2 weeks ago. No, get another one. I'm full. I've been eating.
Full of crap.
What did you call me? What did you call me?
Full of crap.
Crop your ass.
Full.
I'm full. I eat strawberries. I eat stuff. 2. I eat like 6. Okay, you guys can't have what I have, okay? I saw you in the monitor on my camera. Get down. Filipino guys, knee up. We're very comfortable with that, right?
Not all, but most provinciana is like that. I want lost weight. I've been wanting to do exercise, but the thing is, no exercise, just keep eating. My head just exercise, Marianne, exercise. In my head, I do exercise. Yeah, that's what happened. I want lost weight. Churros always good. You know what? Kim Kardashian love churros. That's how I learned that there is churros exist. That's why, because of her. Kim Kardashian.
I know you think you get more, but you don't.
So refreshing to have water. This head of Roxy, hun, is everywhere, hun. Roxy, your head is everywhere. Okay, now back to editing. Dinner later is gonna be really late. Late dinner. Oh, I've been charging this battery for my Samsung. It's been charging for a few hours already. I did charge it this morning. Huh?
You can sing something?
Samsung. Sing song.
Sing a song.
Hi, honey. Oi.
Sing a song. Song a sing. Sing a song.
Samsung, han. See it, han.
Samsung.
Samsung.
Samsung, a sing song.
My goodness.
What the hell was Sam singing? Singing this.
This person, guys, just keep smoking. Just keep smoking, guys.
Keeps the dogs away.
Is that why you're doing
insect
that?
repellents.
Is that why you're doing that?
Yeah. Otherwise, they won't want to be looking at my face.
Or just lying down. I'm done editing, guys. I'm not showing you my baby. He doesn't like to be shown when he's like relaxing his day. It's his day. But I will show you a little bit. Relaxing. I'm the one who went shopping. I like it. The one will like stay in the aisle for an hour, guys, looking for something. I just go what I need. I just pick up what I need. Go run up. Yung ilong ko, guys, ay sobra namang lapad eh. Sobrang lapad, han. Han. My nose is very lapad.
Lapad? What's lapad?
Yeah, it's so lapad. Flat. See it, lapad.
LAPD. Los Angeles Police Department.
What is lapad?
That's it.
What did you say?
Los Angeles Police Department.
Ay, Han, that's not it.
LAPD. Lapad.
Han. My God. Han said, mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Do you know what is that?
I don't know.
I love you. Huh?
That's right. That's what it is.
Yeah. And also, Roxy Igat. You say Roxy Igat.
Roxy, you got.
Huh?
Roxy, you got what?
Igat.
Roxy, you're an EGOT.
Roxy, you're igat. Roxy, you're igat. Igat si Roxy. Sige, tila-tila siyang lubot. Igat. Hey, Roxy.
Roxy
Hey.
Ignat.
Huh?
Roxy Ignat.
What is igna?
It's an old cartoon.
Roxy, stop igat-igat over there. What else? I'm gonna go downstairs. Did you find the one that you're looking for?
No.
No, so I guess I'm gonna go. What did you do? Spinach?
I think it was like ravioli filled with spinach or something. I don't know.
Ravioli?
Yeah.
I think it's down there. I saw it in the. It's not in the.
cream of spinach in the box. It wasn't
No,
there.
it's not. It's not in the box. I saw it over there. I'm gonna look for it. Which one did you look? The tall one. Tommy and I cook together. I like it. I like it when we do in the kitchen together, guys. Makes me happy. Like how do you call that?
That's one of the things I like about the other house is you have two different stoves.
Yeah, partner.
This house only has one stove.
Partner.
You can always put it in a second.
Yes, we do. We cook. What are you cooking?
I'm cooking ravioli with spinach and mozzarella, and I'm cooking hash brown potatoes. Potatoes with onions and peppers. And I'm going to heat up the broccoli rabe.
So me, I just broil the really easy. I season the lamb and then I broil it, and then I'm making some zucchini.
Very
Right.
hot in here. Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Because the temperature is very high. No, it's 73, 76.
I love him so much now. Look at his ear. I love his ear now. He need to find people to cut his hair. This is our dinner, guys. Zucchini. I call it jacuzzi. Zucchini, lamb, and potato. Yeah, that's our dinner. And Tommy is still making some ravioli with spinach inside. Ravioli. So yeah. Good night to all. What are you waiting, bug? Good night, guys. Matutulog na kami, guys. Kasi gusto na naming maghaliga. Hiliga. Gusto na namin mahiga. Good night, guys. Good night. Good night, guys. Ano na? 8:30 na ng gabi. Bukas na lang, guys. Thank you for watching all the time. Thank you all so much. I really do appreciate it. From the bottom of my squeezing heart. You think I'm gonna let you?
Yes.
No, because you know what? It's we're gonna sleep in the cardboard.
It